Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is incredibly useful for ensuring your PDF documents meet accessibility standards, making them readable for everyone, including users who rely on assistive technologies. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your recent files and select the document you want to check for accessibility. This will open your PDF in the main workspace, ready for you to begin the checking process. Now look over to the left panel where you'll find various tools available in Acrobat. Click on All Tools to expand the full menu of features. You'll see quite a few options here, but we need to access more than what's immediately visible. So go ahead and click View More to reveal the complete list of tools. From this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Prepare for Accessibility and click it. This tool is specifically designed to help you identify and fix accessibility issues in your documents, which is essential for compliance with accessibility standards and for making your content available to all users. Once you've opened this tool, navigate to the left panel again where you'll see several options related to accessibility. Click on Check for Accessibility to begin the process. This feature will scan your document for potential barriers that might prevent people from accessing your content properly. Before you start the actual scan, there are a few important settings to configure. First, check the box beside Create Accessibility Report. This option generates a detailed report of all the issues found, which you can review and address systematically. Next, click the Choose button to specify where you want to save this report. You'll have the option to browse for a location on your computer, navigate to the folder where you'd like to store the report, select it, and click OK to confirm your choice. Now check the box beside Attach Report to Document. This is helpful because it keeps the accessibility report directly linked to your PDF, making it easier to reference later when you're making corrections. Navigate to the Page Range section where you can decide whether to check all pages in your document or specify a range by selecting Pages From if you only need to check certain sections. Here's where attention to detail really matters. Navigate to the Category section and click the drop-down menu. You'll see multiple categories related to different accessibility standards. Click on the first category and make sure all the boxes within it are checked. This ensures a comprehensive scan covering all aspects of that particular standard. After you've finished with the first category, move on to the second category and repeat the process, checking all boxes to ensure nothing is overlooked. Continue this pattern for each category available, making certain that every checkbox is marked. This thorough approach guarantees that your document will be evaluated against all relevant accessibility criteria. Once you've gone through and checked all the boxes in every category, you're ready to run the scan. Click Start Checking to begin the accessibility analysis. Adobe will now process your document, which may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your PDF. When the scan is complete, look over to the right panel where you'll see all the accessibility checker results displayed. This detailed breakdown shows exactly what issues were found and provides guidance on how to address them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.